Hello and welcome to this demo video where we will show how to transform a PDF textbook into an interactive educational resource. We start with a PDF textbook and our command line application for the ingestion process, which takes as input the textbook file. The textbook is recognized and the available options are displayed. First, we will start with the extraction of the textbook model. Now, the textbook is being processed to create the model. In the meantime, we will show how to use our Intelligent Textbooks model generation service to create a model using any PDF textbook. First, we need to fill in an email and then we need to select the PDF textbook from our computer. After a capture control, we can submit the textbook. The textbook model will be generated offline and we will get an email when it is ready to be downloaded. After a few minutes, we can check out our email and see that we have a notification that the model is ready. We can click on the link. A page will be opened to download the textbook model. Now, we go back to our ingestion application and we can see that the model was created. We can open the model and explore the structure of the file. It has a metadata section, a content section with the chapters and subchapters from the table of contents, and a body section with the textual content from each section of the textbook. We can see that each element, like a word, has its own element and ID. The knowledge terms of the textbook are in the last section of the model. Now, we can convert the PDF into HTML. All the files for the HTML are being created. The HTML representation is created and we can open it. We can explore the HTML and its structure. In the created HTML textbooks, the structure is used to preserve the layout but not the content. We can see that the text is not structured. There are words that are separated by different span elements. Back to our ingestion application, now we can synchronize the textbook model with the HTML representation. Now we have an HTML resource that is linked with the textbook model. If we open the file, we can see that each word has a class with the ID of the element according to the textbook model. Words that are broken are identified with the same ID. Back to the ingestion application, we can finally open the HTML textbook in our web interface. The textbook is displayed in the interface in the middle panel. We have the table of contents in the left panel along with the search. And in the right panel we have additional information and notes. Using the table of contents we can go to chapter 1 and navigate through the text. We will see special elements like words that are highlighted to indicate an interaction. For example, we can click on the word Virgil to see a definition and a link to an external element. In this way, we can define many possible interactions with virtually any element in the textbook. For example, words, titles, tables, or figures. Thank you for watching. For more information visit intextbooks.science.uu.nl.